was disappointing last year, and you know, we put a lot of work in. You'd just be really eager to get back training and get going again this year and move on and try and banish the demons out of your head, you know. We were kind of slow enough to start, I suppose, that day too, you know. A goal at the end really, I suppose, did help us a lot. Great vision by Noel McGrath, like he's unbelievable to create chances, you know. He could have taken a handy point 30 yards out on his own, but instead he gave a sharp pass into myself and it was a goal, you know. So I suppose that's the difference really, like, you know, people, I suppose, willing to take that chance.
Séamus Callanan to agus Callanan.
Tipperary Kilkenny games would usually be associated with tough games, you know. You're hard to get every score really, I suppose, at either end. It turned out quite the opposite, I suppose, really, with the scoreline, but look, playing well and losing is no good to us either, so, you know what I mean, putting up scores like that is great really, but at the end of the day, if you're not winning, you know what I mean, that's what it's all about. It's all a building process really, I suppose. We have ups and downs through the league, but hopefully, look, we're hopefully improving, and we're just trying to get belief. There may be some people that would have different views on it as well, but there's a lot of good supporters out there too, you know. I suppose the only way you can answer it, or at least try and answer it, is on the hurling field, you know. The Cork game, I suppose, we really did blitz them from the start. We dipped then before half time and let them back into the game, I suppose, and a lot down to the great skills of Anthony Nash really, I suppose, with his unstoppable frees. But we showed great determination and great grit, I suppose, to get through it in the end. You'd always be worried about Clare, you know, they're fantastic hurlers. If you're talking for big points in the game, you know, you're talking about maybe Patrick Maher's goal in the second half, you know, is an unbelievable touch, the way he brought it down to himself and ran on it and buried it. There isn't a day goes by that I'm not down in the local hurling field or in, you know, before training and taking frees and practicing, you know. So, you know, I'm taking frees from my club for years, you know, and I've taken them occasionally for tip, you know, and it's the same technique I use all the time, like, but I wouldn't want to be giving that away on camera, you know.
Saora has bought this again.
Kilkenny are the benchmark. They're the level that we're trying to work ourselves up to, you know. No, it's going to be a very difficult task, but not to be overly thinking on Kilkenny. We have to concentrate on ourselves and what we can bring to the party.